Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: chrome wheels, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, convertible, remote trunk release, headlights auto off. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.